Hey everybody, this is me, Robert here, and I'm about to show you an opening of what I believe I ordered on eBay, which is the NES USB controller. So let's take a look right now. Let's see. I had to hold the camera with one hand, so it's kind of hard for me to record this thing. Or we can take this. Yeah. Yes, this is the Retrolink NES USB controller. And as you can see, it says Retrolink on the front of the controller. And to think of it, that it costs about 16 bucks for this kind of controller. So, alright, let's see what it says. Play on any PSC or Mac with a USB port. All buttons can be configured and relieve the classic NES experience on today's games. What a minute. Always dream of using your USB on your favorite PC games? Now you can. Yep, this is definitely the one. So, yeah, this is one of those things. So let's get this open. Okay. Yeah, it's hard to record it with one hand, so I'm trying to open this thing. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Yep, this is the one right here. Alright, and let's get the controller out. There we go. Yeah, it really feels, yeah, you feel the buttons are very firmly and so smooth in texture. The buttons are, the select and start button are rubber, made of rubber. So you can see that here. Well, it's in focus right now, so please excuse the out of focus here, and for the D-pad, it is kind of firmly. It's not too stiff, not very stiff at all, and I kind of like it. I like it very a lot. Well, it's definitely looks like a replica of the original NES. So, yeah, I am totally satisfied with this design. Perfect for to get to play your games on a virtual NES or a Game Boy or anything that you want. So, I am totally excited to play the games with this controller. I'm totally satisfied. I highly recommend buying this on eBay, so and a very good alternative for retro games. So this is Robert Camacho signing off, and thank you for watching.